Hi, this is David Davis from ActualTech Media. We're here at ZeroStack headquarters, and I'm proud to be joined by Mr. David Greene. He's the CEO of ZeroStack. How you doing, David?
Good morning, David. Welcome to ZeroStack.
Thank you. This is awesome. So it's an honor to be here. We've been talking about private cloud. We've been talking about ZeroStack. I wanted to talk a little bit about how ZeroStack is unifying application development and IT. I mean, there's a lot of headbutting going on.
Right.
You know, application development, they want to move fast. They want to get the applications out. IT, they're kind of the department of no. You know, everything takes a long time. And so how can these two teams work together? What's ZeroStack doing to make this possible?
Well, I think there's a couple pieces, right? I think let's start with the acknowledgement that most organizations are becoming software companies. And if they haven't realized it yet, they will soon, because every interaction we have as consumers, as human beings, as service consumers, is somehow driven by a piece of software. That software needs to get built somewhere. And there's an application development team building that, and they want to move fast. I had a meeting just last week. I was with a successful organization, two really good friends, one who ran the application team and one who ran the IT team. And clearly they enjoyed each other's company, but they were not in agreement on what needed to happen in the environment. And I think the fundamental gap is that the application development team wants to move fast. They want resources now. I need a server tomorrow for 3 days to do my testing for our next release. And then IT says, yes, we have a process for that. You'll submit a change request and we'll review the ticket, and in 3 weeks we'll have the server for you. We're trying to create an environment that makes it more flexible. So our idea of a private cloud says the private cloud should look and feel to a development team the same way the public cloud does. So they have that kind of Amazon-like experience of being able to go and in real time request resources from the cloud. But we're going to do that in a private cloud environment, so IT still has control over what the pool of resources is, what the set of resources is, the security, the data control, the privacy, whatever they need around that environment. And try and bring those together that way. So we give the developers an opportunity to have a kind of a private environment from the cloud to meet their requirements, and IT still have that sense of control they're looking for.
Okay, so it's kind of like the best of both worlds. It's like on-premises AWS, where application development gets what they need. They need the resources. They need to be able to spin up their applications. They need that elasticity, the scalability, and IT still gets what they need. They need cost control. They need security, compliance, all those things.
Exactly. And I think for a developer, really going to be able to create your environment, right? We talk a lot to application development teams about this idea of a developer's workspace, where every developer has the tools that they want, you know, open source or whatever. They've got a data set they need to use. They've got a preferred server configuration. They want to be able to assemble all that very quickly into an environment where they can be productive. And in a ZeroStack private cloud environment, that's what we're going to allow you to do. You know, you're a developer, come get what you want, take what you need out of the application store, build that environment, use it as you need to. We'll, behind the scenes, manage the resource allocation with the IT team. When you're done, return it to the pool. It becomes available for the next project.
It sounds fantastic. I love how ZeroStack's unifying application developers and IT with private cloud. Thanks so much for your time today, David.
Well, thank you very much.